Welcome to AI Sapien, a channel dedicated to artificial intelligence topics, news and reviews. In our previous video, we announced the ChatGPT Store launch, which is scheduled for this week. If you haven't seen it, it has essential information and guidance for creators and developers interested in using OpenAI's GPT Store. In this video, you will find a step-by-step guide with tips and tricks to get you up and running with the ChatGPT Store, creating and publishing your unique GPTs. Let's get started. Many users have been using ChatGPT to make money since its launch in November 2022. Now the store will be the first opportunity for users to earn money directly from OpenAI's store. Ready to claim your share from your own GPTs? Your first step, if you haven't already, is go to OpenAI's website. You will need to sign up, log into your account, then upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. At the time of creating this video, the Plus account cost is $20 per month. While you can jump straight in and start building your first GPTs, it's recommended to come up with a unique niche for your GPT. The limit is really just your imagination. If you find yourself stuck for ideas, you can use ChatGPT itself to generate and brainstorm ideas. Better yet, create a GPT that will help you generate and create other GPTs, as you can see in this example. I am showing you one that I created and named Metagenius. I will use this GPT to help me generate and brainstorm the idea for the example GPT I intend to create for this video. Once you have chosen an idea for your GPT, now it's time to start creating it. From the home page, click on Create a GPT. You'll be taken to a page with an open chat with GPT Builder, a configurations menu on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to preview and test your GPT. You can use the GPT Builder to guide you through the Create tab to build your GPT. Or you can go straight to the Configure tab, where you can manually enter your GPT's name, profile picture, instructions, and other settings. In the Configure tab, you can also later make any changes. Here you will tell the GPT Builder what you want to create. Here, you will tell the GPT Builder what you want to create. Be as descriptive as possible. You can include as much details as you want, while the GPT Builder will guide you through the build, including the name and instructions for you, GPT. These can also be included at this stage. If you upload any documents, they will be available in Knowledge area in Configure tab. Once the initial behavior of the GPT is created, the GPT Builder will prompt you to give your GPT a name. You will be provided with a suggestion. You then can choose to keep it or ask the GPT Builder to generate other names. In this example, I asked for creative names. You can also ask to include particular words, or if you have a name, you can just tell it to use the name you provide. This name can also be changed whenever you feel like it from the configuration section. See my previous video for naming guidelines. Once you agree and confirm the GPT name, the GPT Builder will then proceed to generate a profile picture, which again, you have the opportunity to change as you see fit. If you have used an image generator before, you would know that you can provide instructions until you are happy with the generated picture. You can also upload your own picture, and you can change it as often as you wish in the Configure tab. Now we got to the creative and fun part of the GPT building, adding instructions and examples. To make your GPT work, you have to give it a clear set of instructions to follow. Again, the GPT Builder will guide you through the process, asking you questions. Here again, we can use ChatGPT to get the answers if required. You can upload the instructions if you wish. But for the best results, these instructions should be very detailed and should include the primary functions and capabilities of your GPT. Some tips here: ask GPT Builder to tell you what functionality or capability your GPT should have or is missing. It will come up with many options. You can then select to apply the ones you want. I would usually ask it iteratively what this kind of GPT is missing or needs until I am satisfied with it. Once you are happy with the functionality of your GPT, now it's time to test it. To do this, switch to the preview panel in the right-hand side. Test for the expected behavior. Your GPT should already have conversation starters. Test them, change them if required in the Configure tab. Ask challenging questions to test your GPT. Again, you can use ChatGPT to help generate test cases if you find yourself stuck. Use its responses to make changes to your GPT until you're happy with the results. Then it's time to publish your GPT. To share your GPT with the store, you'll need to review OpenAI's updated usage policies and GPT brand guidelines. Check out my previous video for details. To verify your Builder profile, simply you're going to go to Settings and Beta, then we're going to go to our Builder profile. You have two different ways. Either you can verify by name or website. That is up to your discretion. Once done, now you can set your GPT as public, enabling it to be shown publicly on OpenAI's store. When you tested and are happy with your GPT and you verified your Builder profile, now you are ready to publish your GPT. From the editing screen, select Publish to create your GPT or update if your GPT is already live. Make sure Everyone option is selected. Click Confirm to publish. After completing this step, you will be provided with a link that you'll be able to share with other users. You can also use this link if you wish to publish your GPT in other stores. OpenAI is yet to release the revenue sharing models for its store, but this shouldn't stop you from getting on board to stay ahead. It's expected that once GPTs are live on OpenAI's GPT Store, launching this week, they will become searchable through OpenAI's store, where users will be able to purchase them. Putting your app up for public use isn't the only way to generate income through your custom GPT. Depending on the purpose of your GPT, you can also use it to create your own income-generating content. Just simple creating and publishing GPTs may not be enough to make them profitable. Make sure that you invest some time to craft capable and unique GPTs, as the complexity and capabilities of your GPT may affect monetization possibilities. Important also is promoting your GPTs yourself through social media and other platforms that showcase GPTs. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss a beat. Until our next time, stay informed and engage with the evolving AI landscape.